fellas. Let's go, fellas. Let's go today, man. Do it for each other. Play for the man to your left and to your right. We don't do 1, 2, 3, man.
Good luck, man. All right, let's fly around, man.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
See today, man. Rivalry week. Ain't much need to be said. They don't like us, we don't like them. Pose the wheel often and early, man.
Man, take your respect. Dog, we ride together. Come on, y'all. Everything we do is a grand hustle. Grind time on 3. 1, 2, 3. Grind time.
Let's communicate. Let's execute. Most importantly, man, let's trust ourselves.
Let's go now. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bam.
And the linebacker number 55, team captain, Vontaze Burfict.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. This is an authority today.
Raiders helmet is heads, and the NFL logo is tails. Raiders helmet is heads, and the logo is tails. Kansas City is your call. Heads. Heads is the call. It is heads. Deferred. Want to take the football. Kansas City is one to toss and will defer.
They were 10 out of 14 on third down against the Broncos. Big part of their success. Can they do it here to start? They do. It's Carrier who he threw to on second down, incomplete. Carrier has it this time on the run on to the Kansas City side of the field.
This will be a 29-yard field goal attempt. A.J. Cole is the holder. Good snap, good hold on its way from Carlson, and the Raiders strike first. Carr back into the gun with Jacobs alongside him. Takes a snap and backs it up. Throws middle. High. Touchdown, Williams. Touchdown, back of the end zone.
They got a 3rd and 11. They can extend that streak. Oh, Mahomes has Mayowa come in.
Good stop, D.
Harrison, motion, play action. Now Carr rolls hard to the right. Throws in underneath. This is complete to Waller. And with that completion, Derek Carr surpasses Ken Stabler for number 1, Lincoln.
All right.
Passing yards for the Raiders.
There's only 32 guys that have done that, right? And so I'm trying to be respectful of that honor, respectful of that moment, and honor him and honor his family. I said I'd do it with honor. I said I'd do it with respect, so that's what I'm doing. Even in a loss, I'm still going to do that. I'm thankful, especially to do it for the Raiders because I love this place.
Gas up, 28. Yeah, I got it. I need you.
Handoff here to Jacobs. Slips out of a tackle, and the rookie's taken off. Takes Chiefs with him all the way down to the 30. That's a 51-yard run.
Just for them being as good of a team as they are, using that as a measuring stick to see where we are and just trying to improve each day. I think that we played a lot better than what the scoreboard said. You just got to make big plays when needed, and yeah, we're going to be all right.